Remember to
Subscribe.
subscribe. Okay. Let's see. Roof. It's a dog. Yes. So what color is the dog? Yellow, black, brown, green, or orange. What color is the dog? It's brown. Okay, you can take brown and go and paint the top. Hurry up, Marcelo. Oh my God, be careful. Go. Where's the dog? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Yes! Whoa! Very good, Marcelo. Sit down. There. Now, another pet. The one is like this.
A bird.
It's a bird because the bird flies. What color is the bird? Do you think it's yellow?
Yes.
Yes, it could be yellow. Very good. So you're going to take yellow. That's it. No more. Go. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3. Where's the bird? Oh my God. The bird is colored yellow. Very good. Wonderful job, Marcelo. Now, listen. These animals sounds like this.
Cat.
It's a cat. Yes. What color it could be the cat? Green? Do you think? No. Orange? No. I think the cat could be black. Do it. Down. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Go. Where is the cat? Yeah. Very
So
good,
cool.
Marcelo. Now, let's see. You have to look at me. Let's ask your friend. What animal do you think is this one? Look.
Turtle.
Really? No.
Bird.
A bird? Like this? Look. It goes under the water.
A turtle.
Look over there. Your friend said
A fish.
it's a fish. What color it could be the fish? Yellow? Black? No. Maybe orange? Yes. Go orange. Orange for the fish. Ready? Stop. Go. Wow. Very good. And now, look at me. What pet do you think is this one? Look. A bunny?
A bunny.
It's a bunny. Yes. What color is the bunny? Green. No. Brown. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Be careful with me. Wow. Wonderful job. Oh, careful. And the last one is a small one. And it's so slowly. That pet, its color green. Yes. And what is the name of that pet, Marcelo?
Turtle.
It's a turtle. So 1, 2, and 3. Green. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3. Go. Wow. Bye-bye, turtle. Marcelo, sit down. Look, this activity is so fun because we have to use water and kids love water. Marcelo, come.
We like water.
Yeah, Marcelo loves water. You can do this activity with any topic because they love water. Marcelo, you're gonna say bye-bye to your friends.
Bye-bye.
Remember to,
Bye-bye, Emma.
we're washing.